Converting all occurrence of true/false to 1-0 in a data frame with mixed data type. I have a data frame that has about 100 columns. There are some Boolean columns and some chars. I want to replace all Boolean having values true/false and also -1 with 1-0. I want to apply it on whole data frame instead of single column. I saw some solutions here, like converting the column to integer. But I want to avoid the exercise of going through 100s of columns. Here is something I tried unsuccessfully. But the data frame test still has true/false.
Apply map is not in place by default. It will return a new data frame. The correct way. Or simply. Although replace seems the best way of achieving this.
For a single column, the simplest way by far is to convert the column type. Pandas is smart enough to map Boolean to int correctly. If df.column_name starts as Boolean, it will become 0s and 1s after converting to type int.
Define a function that loops the replace through each column of the data frame.
You can do it easily using multiplication by 1. If you do that, all your data frame will be transformed.